In the transformer manufacturing industry, precise handling and movement of heavy steel plates are critical for ensuring production efficiency and maintaining safety standards. A leading manufacturer of transformers faced challenges with their existing lifting methods. We designed a customized electro-permanent lifting magnet system composed of 10 individual magnetic modules. Each module was engineered to handle a lifting capacity of 1 ton, resulting in a total safe working load of 8 tons when all modules are used in conjunction. The electro-permanent lifting magnet system was installed and integrated into the transformer manufacturing plant's existing overhead crane system. Our team provided comprehensive training for the plant's operators and maintenance staff to ensure smooth operation and adherence to safety protocols. The new system allowed for faster and more precise handling of steel plates, reducing the time required for each lift and contributing to overall production efficiency. The robust safety features of the magnets minimize the risk of load drop, protecting both the equipment and personnel. The modular design provided flexibility in handling different sizes and weights of steel plates, accommodating various production needs.